Do yourself a magnetizer. Well guys, I'm going to draw you the basic principle of a magnetizer slash demagnetizer. Sorry for the drawing because from the position that was filmed you can see very well, but if I pick two magnets and I put them in the same pole, they repulse. Is this what we need? Now I'm just drawing the two magnets and I'm going to draw the poles that we need to make our demagnetizer. That means north, south, south, north. In the middle of the demagnetizer, you need to have the same poles. That means the south poles of the two magnets or the north poles. You choose. And if I put the screwdriver in the middle of the magnetizer, the screwdriver will be magnetized. For demagnetizing, I just put in the sides. It's simple. Now I must do a 3D drawing concerning the magnets that I have. I have 18mm diameter magnets per 5mm of thickness. Well, now it's printing. This took me about 45 minutes to print. Well, now here I have all the kit. The two half cases to put the magnets inside, but beware, you must be aware of the poles. Look, this is the other half case. Now I'm going to put the magnets. I must be sure that the same poles are in the middle, not like this, but like this, that they repulse. Now I put in the case carefully. Okay. I should, to finish, I should put some super glue around. Okay, then I pick the other half case with the super glue. I press it and I will glue it, I will bond it. Now let's see if it works. Okay, to magnetize in the middle, to demagnetize in the sides. This is a small screw and a screwdriver. I want to magnetize. I put the screwdriver in the middle. Now let's see. Yes, he's magnetized. Okay. This is very useful when you have stubborn screws that you want to unscrew for some kind of gadget that you have in your house. Now it's demagnetized, as you see, because I passed the screwdriver in the outer side. Now again magnetize and dismagnetized. Okay, now demagnetize. Well, works perfectly. So guys, very useful and very cheap gadget that you can do. Thanks for watching.